Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can solve the problems of not being able to log in to Facebook application. Friends, subscribe to our channel, write your comments at the end of the video, and also do not forget to put likes. So let's get down to this topic with you. And if you're trying to enter the Facebook application and you're getting a denial that you can't enter the application, then I'm going to show you a few possible ways to solve this problem. So, the first one is to switch from Wi-Fi to cellular network or vice versa. For this, you will need to swipe from the right side of your screen, where you will find the Wi-Fi and cellular data widgets. And here you'll need to either turn on mobile data only or turn on Wi-Fi only. And only I recommend turning on airplane mode. Turn off both Wi-Fi and mobile data and leave it on for a few seconds. And then turn off airplane mode. And turn on mobile data and Wi-Fi. That way, if you have a bad internet connection, this will help to restore it. The next method is to go into your phone settings. Next, go to General. Next, scroll down, find the VPN section. And here, make sure that you are not connected to a VPN because this can also often be the reason why you can't access Facebook. If you are not connected to a VPN, then go back in General. Here, go to your phone's memory. Wait for everything to load. And swipe down, go to Facebook. Next, tap Unload App. And after it's unloaded, also here at this point you'll be prompted to reload the app. Click Reload. So you'll have all the cache cleared, all the unnecessary and corrupted files that might have been on Facebook will be deleted. So, the Facebook app, it will refresh, it will clean up, and after that, it will fix a lot of problems. You don't have to worry about that. All of your Facebook data will be saved. The only thing you will have to do after reloading this app is to enter your password to access your page. And if even that method doesn't work for you, then go back to Basic, scroll down to the very bottom, and select here. Transfer or reset iPhone. After that, select Reset. And then reset all settings. In this way, you will be able to reset all the settings of your phone, which will help you to completely reboot it, update it, delete all the unnecessary data, delete all the cache and garbage that might be on your iPhone that prevents you from accessing Facebook. Friends, these are the methods you can use if you need to solve the problem of not being able to log in to Facebook. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.